Build these two AI and machine learning projects to succeed in 2024. There's tons of projects out there, but if you really want to succeed in ML long term, focus on these two. I'd even say that only the first one is essential. I've included the second one since I have a bias for NLP or natural language processing, but I also think it's a great project to become familiar with industry standard libraries. The first is implementing a research paper from scratch. If you've heard this advice before, then be honest with yourself. Have you been sticking to this plan? I recommend implementing one new paper a month to stay on track. Consider a paper like Attention is All You Need, in which the transformer was introduced. The concepts in this paper are fundamental to today's technologies. I think every ML enthusiast should code this paper from scratch at least once. This isn't flashy or glamorous, but it will solidify your understanding. But where do you actually start if you don't have any experience implementing papers? This is no easy feat. The first step is to learn the basics of PyTorch, the #1 library for implementing neural networks. Many papers include a link to a team repository, and the code usually makes use of PyTorch. If you're looking for a comprehensive, beginner-friendly guide to PyTorch, I'll link one in the top right. The reason that learning PyTorch is so beneficial is because so many machine learning concepts are incorporated into the library. Consider a PyTorch training loop. In just 5 lines of code, dozens of machine learning concepts are used. Learning PyTorch forces you to really understand the fundamental concepts. Master PyTorch, and you'll master machine learning. Okay, on to project number 2, fine-tuning an open source LLM. Once you're familiar with how LLMs work, it's time to work with open source models, like the Llama family from Meta or the Mistral family from the French AI startup Mistral. You don't need an expensive GPU either. Thanks to a matrix multiplication trick called LoRA, you can fine-tune an LLM with Google Colab, a free Python notebook that lets you run code in your browser. You can pick virtually any dataset and fine-tune the model with it. More recently, I've been working on fine-tuning Llama to generate better SQL queries, as well as solve harder math problems. There is even an entire subreddit, r/localllama, where ML enthusiasts fine-tune open source models and share their results. Working with these open source models will expose you to a wide range of concepts, like data quality and hyperparameter tuning. I promise it's worth the time investment. To get started, I have a video breaking down LoRA, the matrix multiplication trick used for fine-tuning. Here's the bottom line. If you really want to deepen your understanding and excel as a scientist or engineer, implement models from scratch. Hold yourself accountable with a reasonable goal, like implementing one paper a month, and just get started today.